Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see complete FitGirl game install guide for beginners. I'll show you guys how to do it. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. And after turning off, just to minimize this page, double click on the setup folder. Double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and check mark this box if you have under 8 GB RAM. Limit install it to 2 GB of RAM usage. And make sure nothing is running in the background and select next. And select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. Select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions. And select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option. Adding to this list, you just need to go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. So open this site, redirect to this site and select finish option. And as you can see all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And the game opens up without having any problem. And you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.